Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Hello, visibility hackers. Welcome back. I'm Molle here to empower, inspire, and transform your entrepreneurial journey. Today, we've got an episode packed with actionable insights. It's all about video marketing for impact-focused entrepreneurs. So let's roll.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
First up, welcome to today's episode. Just so you know, I have a very adorable snoring dog beside me who wants to be heard this episode. So you might hear her throughout the background noise, but it's really just there to give you soothing feelings while we talk about video marketing. Because video marketing is a potent tool, especially for entrepreneurs with a cause at heart. It's like a window into your world, your mission, and your impact. So let's get to it. Here are 5 helpful tips for video marketing. Tip number 1 is to start with your why. Your why is your mission, the reason your business exists. In your videos, always lead with your why because it emotionally connects your audience to your brand and gives your video content a soul. Tip 2 is to know your audience. Understanding your audience is paramount. It informs the kind of content you should be creating, the tone you should be using, and even the platforms you choose to share your videos on. Wait. Before we get into anything else, here's a word from our sponsor.
Hey there, listeners. Are you ready for a weekly dose of fun, interaction, and valuable insights? We've got the perfect event lined up just for you. Introducing Friday Night Live. Every Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern, join us for an exciting live-streamed event on the Visibility Hackers YouTube channel. It's the place to be for all things business, marketing, and growth. Be a part of the action as we dive into hot topics, share expert tips, and engage in live Q&As. Want to get even more involved? Join us on stream for a chance to share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. So mark your calendars and set your reminders for Friday Night Live on the Visibility Hackers YouTube channel. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to learn, network, and have a blast every single week. What are you waiting for? Grab your favorite beverage, kick back, and let's make Friday nights unforgettable. See you there at 8 p.m. Eastern, only on the Visibility Hackers YouTube channel.
Heck yeah, Friday Night Live. I will see you there. Tip 3 is to prioritize quality over quantity. While it's important to maintain consistency when you're posting your videos, don't compromise on the quality of them. High-quality videos reflect your brand's professionalism and dedication. My 4th tip for you is to tell a story. Powerful tool storytelling is. It humanizes your brand and keeps your audience engaged. Use stories to highlight your brand's journey, the impact you've had, or even share testimonials from happy clients. My 5th tip is to always use a call to action. A call to action is something like a next step, an invitation for the next step. It prompts your viewers to take action after watching your video. It could be anything from visiting your website, purchasing a product, or signing up for your newsletter, or booking a discovery call, whatever you want it to be. So there you have it. 5 tips to harness the power of video marketing as an impact-focused entrepreneur. Remember, your video marketing should be an extension of your passion and commitment to making a difference. Until next time, visibility hackers, stay visible, stay impactful, remember I love you, and be excellent to each other. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a voicemail on Spotify. Heck yeah, join the conversation.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.